Hey, what's up XRP holder? This is live price prediction of XRP. You watching Abhistic channel. Please click the subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. So let's get start this brand video. XRP is going upward like a rocket, absolutely. And those days all cryptocurrencies as goes down. So this is one big reason to all cryptocurrencies as goes down, and thus one XRP, one of unique cryptocurrency as that they can go on up like a rocket. So absolutely they can make you a millionaire. Absolutely, you can see here this is the last 1 hour reason, and I explained that to how as they can go on up like a rocket. So guys, first of all, you can see here this time you can see here the change is 1 plus 1.02% gone up. So this is absolutely a very big change. And just last 1 hour, absolutely this is 1 hour result. You can hear the price as 0.6272 US dollar. This is absolutely very big price, and I hope they can cross in a few days, 1 or 2 days, they can cross 1 US dollar. What you say? What your opinion? They can beat 1 US dollar? Please share your opinion in a comment box. This is very important for me because I am also holder of XRP. So let's check it out. The last 1 day result to what's going on in the last 24 hour. Oh my goodness, absolutely, like you can see here the jumping, absolutely the graph result absolutely gone up. So this is gone like a rocket. Absolutely, this is good news for XRP holder. XRP has gone like a rocket, plus 6.77% gone up. This is absolutely good change for last 24 hour. You can see here the change at the price, absolutely good, very high price change. So wait for the end of this month. I hope they can cross 10 US dollar. Just buy it. This is buying time, not a selling time. Don't sell it. Don't do this mistake. Please don't sell it. Just buy it and hold it to the end of this month. I hope they can make you a millionaire. So thanks for watching. Please click the subscribe button for latest news and best updates. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.